To update software on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From there, you'll have to go into About Phone, and you can actually, like, if you have an update available for your software, you can simply press this button to update right next to this About Phone settings, but you can go into About Phone, and right here you can also find this button to update. So let's tap on this one simply, and as you press it, this as you can see, it checks for the update actually, and now the update is available, and simply press download update, this button right here, to begin to update your software. After this downloading and installation is complete, the phone will turn off, and then it will turn back on, and the installation will go on, and after that the phone probably should turn off and back on again, and the update will be complete. So yeah, that's how to update the software.